Get her done. Aloha, social media lights. Mr. Nooks and Crannies here. Today we are at Dezerland on International Drive in Orlando, Florida. All right, we're going into the main auto museum now. There are a number of different sections. We're just going to focus on the movie, celebrity section. So I don't know too much about cars in particular, or military or anything, but I do know my movies. So let's get checked in and see what we can see here. We're walking down the red carpet. Look at them shadows. Like we're supposed to be here. Now, apparently, this is the Guinness World Record, the longest car in the world. Well, that ain't no joke. Goodness gracious. There's no way it could turn. I mean, you couldn't actually drive this thing, right? I mean, there's absolutely no way for it to turn. I don't see any sections where it splits. So, I would be hard pressed to see that going down the street. All right, here is a Bonnie and Clyde death car. Of course, not the original, but Bonnie and Clyde were celebrities, and so they made reproductions with the bullet holes and such, and called them death cars, and they were macabre. All right, and here's the part I'm looking forward to the most, the cars of the stars. Jumping right off the top, we've got a screen-used vehicle from the movie Tucker with Jeff Bridges, which I own on the DVD. And there is a car from Whoville, from the Grinch. The Green Hornet. I believe that would be the remake with Seth Rogen. Oh, Christine. All right, got a whole room dedicated to the Dukes of Hazzard. There is, of course, the General Lee. Funny story, when I was about 4, I shoplifted a General Lee from the Dollar General when I was out and about with my mom. We were at the register, and Mom told me to put it away, and I put it in my pocket. We got out to the car, and she made me walk back in and hand that thing over. There's Roscoe B. Gold Train. And we're going right from one of the world's greatest heroes, Mr. Bean, to Indiana Jones. Yeah, that's right. You call him Dr. Jones. Screen used from the Raiders of the Lost Ark. And we've got, of course, Kit from Knight Rider. Hey, Hoff, have you subscribe to Mr. Nooks Crannies yet? No. Too busy singing in Germany. I understand. When you get a chance. Well, what's your favorite movie? Oh, Shanghai Nights. Oh, what is it? You got something from Shanghai Nights right there. All right, we'll talk to you later, Hoff. And then, oh, look at this. The plane. No, the cinnamon. Imagine this is not screened used, but still, always nice to be in the presence of the Ghostbusters. Oh, and look, Michael Jackson's Soul Train. I would assume this is just a promotional item for the show Soul Train. And they've just attached it to Mike Jackson because, you know, he is Captain EO, and he is here to save the world. There's the Gadget Mobile from Inspector Gadget. That'll be the live action version with Ferris Bueller in it. Go, Gadget Arts. And this is the Monkey Mobile. Wow, that'll stop traffic right there. Hey, we're the monkeys. The people say the monkey around, but we're too busy hanging out at Dezerland to hold anybody down. Of course, we also got Herbie the Love Bug from Herbie Fully Loaded. Say hello, Herbie. Beep, beep. Worst Herbie ever. We got vehicles from Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. That is Madonna's car from Dick Tracy. Yes. Love the movie Dick Tracy. Tried to be Batman the summer after Batman. Didn't quite work out for him, but I bought all the t-shirts and trading cards and action figures. Look there. There's this Speed Racer Mach 5. Go Speed Racer, go Speed Racer, go Speed Racer, go. You mean to tell me you built a time machine out of a DeLorean? Well, I figured if you're going to travel through time, you better do it with a little class. Great Scott! Let me ask this fella something. Excuse me, Professor Fate? Yes, sir? Yes, Professor Fate, are you currently subscribed to Mr. Nooks Crannies? Well, no, I don't believe I am. I don't have the internet. Oh, well, as soon as you get the internet, go ahead and look him up, like and subscribe. Okay, that's fine. You say Mr. Nooks Crannies? Yeah, that's right, Mr. Nooks Crannies. All right, that's going to do for today. Well, thank you for you. Thank you for stopping by at Dezerland. My pleasure, Professor Fate. Seems like Professor Fate is a bad, bad man. Look at all these weapons of mass destruction he's done, invented and invested in. Oh, we don't need another hero. We don't need to know the way home. All we want is life beyond the Thunderdome. No, we do have to show you anything that's related to the Beatles. Now, it doesn't say how it's related to the Beatles. This is like the London to England section. But anytime we can take a trip down Abbey Road, you know we will. Excuse me, can I ask y'all a question? No, we'd prefer not to be bothered. Yeah, that's correct. We don't want to be bothered. Oh, okay. Well, maybe next time. Oh, no. I done got spaghetti sauce on my nice white suit. And the boba is coming. Ooh la la. Hey, why don't you draw me like one of your French girls? Come on, man. It's not sexual, nothing. VW Bugs. Far as the eye can see. They even got hippies in here. Oh, I didn't know they had hippies in here. Was it? You talking to me? What? You better get a job, hippie. Jerry's dead. That's right. You need to move on with your life. And Dead and Company ain't touring past this summer, too. Yeah, so take your little hippie baby and go on back to San Francisco. Cut your hair while you're at it. You mind your business. Oh, my goodness gracious. Look at all of these Batmobiles. Oh, there's the Tim Burton Batmobile from 1989. No, we saw another one that was used in the film The Smithsonian. Wow, look at that. Batman Forever. Joel Schumacher. Bat nipples and stuff. Bat boats. And there's Amy and the Joker. Watch out, Amy and the Joker's right behind you. Look at the Catwoman up there. She got a little cat toy. That's funny. Only 4 bat cycles were ever built. The original one was the only ever used in the filming. The other 3 traveled the show circuit. Only 2 exist today. Batman. All right, that's going to do it for today's adventures. Appreciate you coming out with us to Dezerland for their grand reopening. They opened up during the pandemic, and it was not the best time to be opening up Florida's largest indoor attraction. But this place is huge. We just showed you primarily the celebrity cars, the movie cars, but you could spend hours in here and still not even scratch the surface. Once again, I'm Mr. Nooks Crannies saying, call off the Marines. I'm coming home. Hey, you subscribed to Mr. Nooks Crannies yet? No, you need to get on that. You need to get on that right quick.